In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Razorpay to Odoo step by step using the Odoo online demo so you can follow along even if you don't have a live database yet. This is perfect if you're setting up payments for point of sale or preparing your Odoo system to accept Razorpay transactions. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to go in Odoo and how to start configuring Razorpay as a payment method. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Odoo and business software tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Odoo Demo Online. From the search results, click on the official Odoo Demo link. This will open an online database where you can explore features without installing anything. Once the demo loads, you'll see the main Odoo dashboard. From here, go to the Settings area so we can configure payments properly. Inside Settings, scroll down until you find the Point of Sale section. Click on Point of Sale to open its configuration options. This is where Odoo allows you to manage payment methods that can be used to checkout. After opening Point of Sale settings, look for the option called Payment Methods and click on it. This will take you to a list of all available payment methods configured in the system. Here you can see existing methods like cash or bank, depending on the demo setup. To add Razorpay, click on the New button at the top. This allows you to create a brand new payment method. In the name field, start typing Razorpay so it's easy to identify later. Naming it clearly is important, especially if you plan to use multiple payment gateways in Odoo. At this stage, you are essentially creating the Razorpay payment method inside Odoo. In a real production system, the next steps would involve installing or enabling the Razorpay Payment Provider module and entering your Razorpay API key in secret from your Razorpay dashboard. This connects Odoo securely with your Razorpay account so payments can be processed correctly. Once everything is configured, save the payment method. Your Razorpay option will now be available in Point of Sale and can be used during checkout. This completes the basic process of connecting Razorpay to Odoo using the system settings. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to connect Razorpay to Odoo. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Odoo tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.